Hello everyone, welcome back to Bookworm. In our last video, we studied the past perfect tense. Today, we are going to learn about past perfect negative tense. So let's get started. Now, what is past perfect negative tense? The past perfect negative tense is used to describe an action that did not happen before another action took place. That means the first action did not take place before the other action took place. Okay, so there is also a sequence of the events, but in this case, in the past perfect negative tense, the first action did not take place before the other action took place. Okay. Now we will see how to write the past perfect negative tense. The syntax is there is also a predefined structure for the past perfect negative tense. See, first of all, we have to write the subject, then had, then not, and then the third form of the verb. Now you can see that the structure is same as that of the past perfect tense, where we added the subject, had, and then the third form of the verb. But in order to convert the sentence into the negative form, we will add not. By adding the not, the past perfect tense will be converted into the past perfect negative tense. Okay. Now, had not, we can also use the short form hadn't, contraction. This is the contracted form of the had not. So, in place of had not, we can also use hadn't. Example, she had not finished her homework when the teacher arrived. See, she is the subject here. Then we will add had. Okay, then not. Okay, not is added to convert the past perfect tense into the past perfect negative tense. And then the finished. Finish is the third form of the verb finish. So, she had not finished her homework when the teacher arrived. See, the first event has not completed before the other action took place. When the teacher arrived, the student had not finished the homework. So, this is the past perfect negative tense. I had not completed my assignment. I had not, I is the subject here, and then had, and then not is added to convert it into the past negative tense, and then the completed is the third form of the verb complete, and then the rest of the sentence. Now, when to use the past perfect tense? First of all, when we want to say that something did not happen before the some other action took place, means there is a sequence of the events and the first action did not take place before the other action took place. For example, he hadn't visited the museum before it closed down. We hadn't visited the museum. This action was not completed before it closed down. The museum is closed down, but our visit is pending. So the first action did not took place, and the other action already took place. So the sentence is in the past perfect negative tense. They had not studied the topic before the test. Now there are also two events. We hadn't studied. The learning is incomplete before the test took place. So this is the negative form. We use the past perfect negative tense when we have to compare the two actions where the earlier action did not take place. For example, she had not finished her homework when the teachers collected it. It means that when the teacher was collecting the homework, the student had not completed her homework. So the action was not completed before this action took place. We hadn't booked the ticket when the prices increased. Means when the prices were increased, our booking was not done. Means this action was incomplete before this action took place. So these are the part of the past perfect negative tenses. Here are some tips to remember while using the past perfect negative tenses. First of all, there will be the two actions, the action 1 and action 2. Okay, the action 1 did not happen and the action 2 did happen. For example, I had not studied before the test started. Means this action did not take place before this action took place. Okay, this action was incompleted and this action took place. Okay, always use had not with third form, and we will not use did not had. This is not the correct form. We also use had not plus third form of the verb only. There is no need to add did. Now we will practice some past perfect negative tenses here. We have given some sentences and we have to convert these sentences into the past perfect negative tense. So let's start. Alice Dash read all the Harry Potter novels by the time she was 15 years old. Alice had, with had we will add not, and the third form of the read is read. See, the spellings are same, but the pronunciation is read. So Alice had not read. I had not. The verb is complete. The third form of the verb complete is completed. I, I had not completed my work when my parents arrived. When we were in college, we dash performed this song live. We had not. Third form of the verb perform is performed. We have not performed this song live. My brother dashed 5 math problems before I completed 2. My brother had not solved 5 maths problem before I completed 2. The place dash closed by the time we got there. The place had not closed by the time we got. I hope you were able to understand past perfect negative tenses. To watch more videos like this, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.